don't care what the weatherman says. When the weatherman says it's raining, you'll never hear me complaining. I'm certain the sun will shine.
I don't care how the weather vane points. When the weather vane points to gloomy, it's gotta be sunny to me when your eyes look into mine.
Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those peepers? Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
Gosh, y'all get up, how'd they get so lit up?
There's two people missing named Kenny and Darla. They disappeared on the day 23rd April 1978. They disappeared out of nowhere, missing. So you find these people. Going on the map. Back to the scheduled program.
Gosh, y'all get up, how'd they get that?
Whole county issues one missing person report. The person was taken away by the creeper, an entity who was round for 2,000 years, who comes back for every 23 years on the 23rd spring for 23 days and get to eat.
Golly gee, when you turn those heaters on, woe is
high school kids went missing on school bus. The high school kids were going to a basketball championship that we lost contact from the CB radio. We can't get to them because the radios are down, but we think it's because of the creeper.
got to put my cheaters on.
Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those creepers?
Oh.
We found the high school kids. Only 14 have survived and 10 people have died because of the creeper, but the creeper went back to its hibernation for the next 23 years.
Oh, those weepers,
how they hypnotize.
yeah.
Where'd you get those eyes?
This is not a test. All of Pajaro County Police Department now issued civil danger warning. 3 days left till the creeper wakes up from hibernation.
Woe is me, got to put my cheaters on.
Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those creepers?
Oh, those weepers,
how they hypnotize.
knock me out.
Where'd you get those eyes?
Where'd you get them?
Won't you put me wise?
Don't you jive me.
Pay to advertise.
Tell them, doctor.
Where did you get those eyes?